this Burnout Extra, we rescue a 1989 Volvo Bertone 780 Coupe. This car has been sitting for 22 years, collecting its fair share of dust and barely seeing the light of day. Once I saw this Bertone sitting, I knew it had to be brought back to life. The Volvo 780 is one of about 8,500 built in Italy by Bertone between the years of 1986 and 1990. 5,669 of which ever actually made it to the United States. The company Bertone was a custom industrial design manufacturer that worked with Volvo on this generation of cars and greatly increased the quality, style, and look of models such as the 780. The sticker price for this Volvo back in 1989 was $38,975, which in 2022 is equivalent to $93,090.
You think it's flat?
It's all flat on one side.
We use the other side.
Yeah, the other three sides are fine.
One of the first things to check on an old vehicle that has been sitting is the brake pads and calipers. These often stick in the exact place on the rotor and prevent the car from moving at all. Buffing the rotors and spraying WD-40 will do just the trick. Surprisingly, the tires held air, so we moved on to putting in a battery, checking the fuel pump, and trying to run the engine. This Bertone has a stock 4-cylinder turbo engine and automatic transmission. Despite lacking quick acceleration, the car actually got good gas mileage for its age and was luxury for its time.
Are you good?
Yep. The power in the building could not support the charging of the battery. You can see the lights flicker as we crank over the engine. So we hooked up another car to jump the battery, and sure enough, it fired right up. We smoked up the garage in a matter of 7 seconds, so we killed the engine and started cleaning the car. It's like an entire new automobile, seeing it pulled out from the garage and all clean compared to the years of dust it had on it before. The Bertone 780 is alive again and will be finding a new home in no time. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this in the future. That's all for this Burnout Extra. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.